Hi! In this video, I'll explain when to set choices and add-ons as optional or mandatory. Some add-ons come at an extra price. For example, a customer can add one or more extra toppings to their pizza. In this case, we set the add-on as optional. Some choices are included in the base price. For example, a customer must choose one type of crust for their pizza. In this case, we set this choice as mandatory. And this is how your customers will see this. Mandatory means you're required to select one. Optional means you can select as many as you want.